Electric driving brings mobility and driving enjoyment to a whole new level. With Kia UVO Connect, e-mobility becomes even more convenient. Let's start with climate control. Reach the remote dashboard by tapping on the red UVO icon. Tap on HVAC settings. Here you can preset the ideal cabin temperature of your car before you enter it to cool it down in summer, or heat it up in winter. And in freezing temperatures, simply select windscreen heating and defrost a few minutes before your departure to have a clear view right from the start. Press Confirm to activate your setting immediately. Back on the remote dashboard, you have full control over the charging process, no matter where you are. When your car is plugged in, you can check on the charging progress and decide when to stop or resume charging. The Schedule feature automizes both remote functions, so your car perfectly adapts to your daily routines. First, set your daily departure time by weekday. According to your personal preferences, scheduled charging and target temperature will be activated. Now your car will always be perfectly prepared and ready to go when you want to go. Go back and select Scheduled Charging to set up the automized charging time for your Kia. This way, you can make use of your electricity provider's nighttime rates to save money with every charge. Set the exact time your car should start the charging process. To activate, send your schedule to your car. You can now enjoy a little bit of extra comfort every day. All this is just a sneak peek of UVO Connect and Kia Live features. There's more for you to explore, so go ahead and tap into the future.